Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility. GPS model, firmware, and your car head unit must speak the same protocol. Once done, plug in power and position the mount within sight, but out of airbag zones. Make sure Bluetooth or Wi-Fi is enabled on both devices, or select USB mode if you plan a wired link. You do this now so pairing is faster, permissions are requested once, and map downloads won't interrupt navigation later, so don't skip these initial checks. You now pair the devices. Start pairing on the car, then accept the code shown on your GPS. Once paired, grant location and audio permissions so turn-by-turn cues play through car speakers. Do the same for contacts if you want hands-free calling. Next, configure units and set your car profile. This optimizes routing for vehicle size and speed limits. Also select whether maps auto-update over Wi-Fi. This avoids data charges. These steps ensure accurate routing and a consistent audio. You finish by securing mounts and cables, then run a short test route to confirm voice guidance and recalculation behavior. Save key locations, home, work, favorites, and enable automatic map backup so you don't lose settings. If the system misroutes or audio fails, try one key troubleshooting tip. Reboot both devices, delete the pairing, then repair. Often this clears cached profiles. If problems persist, update firmware on both units and repeat the test to confirm a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.